Hi friends, I'm Shamil Ahmed. I'm studying grade 9 in CMC International School, Coimbatore. Welcome to my YouTube channel, T2 Digital Power. Today we're going to talk about the biggest branch, AI, Artificial Intelligence. Hope this is my sixth episode of Artificial Intelligence. In the previous or the last episodes, we have shown about the branches of AI, artificial intelligence, the data science, the deep learning, the machine learning, and the such kind topics we have shown about. And in this kind episode, we're going to see the top five uses of artificial intelligence in the medical field. In medical field, artificial intelligence is nowadays becoming a trending. It is a robot which is used for surgery, used for some uh, to calculate the payment of the uh, patients who are visiting the hospital. And we're going to see the top five uses of artificial intelligence in the medical field. And the first, the eye doctor. When we go to eye doctor, they uses a lot of big machines to scan our eye. But in artificial intelligence, in AI, the robot just scans our eye and just gives the report what effect or the uh, what is affected in our eye, whether whether the dryness is increased, or it is high, or it's low, such kind of things. And second is uh, the x-ray, the radiatorist. And radiatorist mean the x-ray, who takes the x-ray concept things are called radiologist. And this radiologist is how used in AI. If you ask me, means I will tell that um, there is a robot which scans our total body, and it is much useful for ortho surgeons. Because if a group or billions of people visit a hospital, it's very difficult to take the x-ray and see the effect or the affected bone in a body, because in the x-ray sheet it is somewhat so tiny. So we can't see that, the doctor can't uh, deal thousands of patients or billions of patients. So in case of that situation, artificial intelligent robot for radiologist is used for. And next, and the third is, artificial intelligent robot is used to advise the patients, like uh, take following diet, or if you are a diabetes patient, regularly take the medicines which is given by the doctor until the doctor tells to stop the medicine. Do not stop the medicine. Such kind of things. The heart attack persons take such kind of food, take such kind of diet uh, in your following food you're taking, and don't take non-veg such things. And number four is the um is like the patients for calculating the reports in the hospital, like who all visited in which time, or the payment which is transacted by the online things. Such kind of things will be calculated in this. And next, final and the fifth is, if a doctor need to travel for a surgery when the patient uh, is in a more distance, and the doctor is far away from them, who's in a like another state, is unable to come right now. In that situation, it's a um very dangerous situation for a patient. In such time, the artificial intelligent robots for used for emergency, that's too important. This Okay guys, this is the top 5 uses of artificial intelligent robots in AI. um, in AI, such kind of robots is there. In USA, in Japan, they are using such kind of robots in the hospitals. Okay guys, I will upload more videos on artificial intelligence. If you like it, share it, subscribe my channel. Thank you.